Need to record your iPhone screen, but can't find the button anywhere? Whether you're capturing gameplay, showing someone how to use an app, or saving an important FaceTime call, screen recording is a must-have. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add and use screen recording on the new iPhone 16 with iOS 18 in under 2 minutes. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now for more easy iPhone tricks. First, we need to add the screen recording shortcut to your control center. To add the screen recording button on your iPhone 16, first go to your home screen and swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. If you don't see the screen recording icon, let's fix that. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap Control Center. Inside, look for Screen Recording under the More Controls section and tap the green plus icon to add it. Now, swipe down again from the top right and you'll see the screen record button right there. Tap it to start recording after a short countdown. If you want to record sound too, long press the icon and enable the microphone. Done. Before we wrap up, here are 3 quick tips to make your screen recordings better. 1. Use Do Not Disturb to block texts or calls while recording. 2. Record in landscape mode for YouTube or TikTok. 3. Edit your clips in the Photos app or use free tools like CapCut for clean cuts and text overlays. If this helped you out, tap like, drop a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone shortcuts and tricks.